Okay guys, so the build is finished and I just test rode the bike and it's absolutely incredible. It's a 2006 DRZ 400. I just replaced the engine head with one from the DRZ 400E, as you can see here. I put in some stage 1 hot cams, so that's the DRZ 400E cams, and I also did some mods on the carburetor, including a JD jet kit to make it rip like it should. So on this particular bike, as said, it's a normal bore 400. We do have braided brake lines. We do have some axle sliders on the front and the back. It's got now around 28,000 kilometers on the clock here, but I just honed the cylinder and everything looks in awesome condition. This one has a Sebring exhaust, so it's this here, and then also including this pipe. And the special thing about this is it's even homologated in Switzerland, so you can ride it and it's fully legal. I did the 3x3 mod to add in some more air. I opened up the airbox and of course adjusted the jetting according to that. And yeah, that thing rips. It's absolutely astonishing what you can get out of those little 400 engines. And I guess yeah, let's do what we all want to do. Let's ride the beast. Maybe start it up first. Do a quick sound check. What a sick beast. Of course the engine is already warm. I already rode it like 100 kilometers now, and it's absolutely incredible. I guess we're gonna take the way down to the main road and enjoy the beautiful view of the Swiss Alps. So yeah, have fun guys, enjoy, and see you in the ride. Yeah, let's go for a quick ride, and I'll try to show what the mods have done, where they are the most effective. The exhaust sounds so nice. There's not a lot of popping on deceleration. Sometimes there is, but it's just subtle. So really nice for the ears. It's not just popping all the time. By the way, I forgot to mention that I also replaced the normal cylinder base gasket with the thinner one for higher compression, more power. It's the base gasket from the E model. Now let's see if we can do some pulls on the road to show how different it behaves with all those mods. braided brake lines, that's a great upgrade. If you use the standard ones, the plastic ones here, when you pull the brakes hard for a while, they start to fade and the pressure point of the brake starts to move. And with those braided brake lines, they won't expand and the pressure point is always on the same spot, so that's really helpful. I'm not used to riding supermotos. Since I've ridden enduros for quite a while, they have a larger front wheel, so it's a bit different feeling, but I guess we'll get around. So here it's just a 50 area, we need to be slow, otherwise it's gonna get expensive. But maybe here we can do a pull from 20. So that's first gear, second gear from 30 and just throttle. So especially with the hot cams mod, that thing just rips. Of course, with a flat slide carburetor you could gain even more snappiness on the throttle, but it's already really good. Let's go from second again. I feel, especially in the lower rev ranges, we gain lots of power with the new camshafts, and the base gasket just makes more power all the way through basically. I'm also quite happy with the carb setup. I could go one size main jet up probably. So when I'm back, I'm checking the spark plug, see if I can spot something. But it's already on a really solid level. And the snappiness of the throttle, from the lower ranges it's not that good, but if you're in the mid-rev ranges, it just goes forward. Best chance to overtake.